Barnaminium with small app that was updated to include plumbing, electrical as well as everything from walls to the stained concrete floors. There is a large sliding barn door that separates the kitchen/dining and the bedroom, loads of closet space and a large shop with lots of storage. There is an 80 metal carport attached at the front of apt and an overhang at the back of shop for storage needs. There is also an RV hookup and the 10 acres is all fenced and cross-fenced. The property is in a flood zone that does require flood insurance, in which the seller pays $663 a year flood insurance, and there is a pavilion and river access through the Dove Creek HOA.